Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase, the only series where the market moves slower than my recovery. I didn't upload yesterday because I was still sick, not dramatically sick, just sick enough to question all my life choices and watch charts with a blanket over my head. But today, we're back, barely. And we made a few glorious cents, which in this challenge still qualifies as being in the green. Let's break it down before I relapse into horizontal mode. We are going to close the BNB and so on positions, which is around 8-9 cents, and we open them. Yep, and BNB. So basically this is our move today. We can see the market went slightly up midnight, which is great. It works for us. We're still in the green. You know, I've been thinking, not every day is gonna be productive. Not every trade will print money. Not every episode will have fireworks. Some days, your biggest achievement is not panic buying into a breakout at 2 a.m. And that's okay. We've been raised on hustle culture and highlight reels. But in real life, sometimes the market's boring. Sometimes you're boring. And sometimes, like yesterday, you're sick, horizontal, and just vibing with your ceiling. Growth doesn't always look like a green candle. Sometimes it's just not rage trading while feverish. So if you're watching this thinking, whoa, this guy made 6 cents and call it a win, you're right, and I'm proud of it. The market today, flat, calm, barely moved. And honestly, thank God, because when the market's quiet, I get to be quiet too. No panic, no FOMO, no slamming the buy button like it owes me money. The market didn't explode, so I didn't either. I call that emotional maturity, or at least mutual exhaustion. Bitcoin prices are going down slightly, which is great for us, which is great for everybody. But we will wait and see. And honestly, I would like to get that 1 cent from Solana, and I'm closing this position. Some of you might not approve my strategy, but please believe in me. In the long run, you'll see we are going to win. Let's check our profit and loss details. Okay, for today we have 10 cents in as profit, which is absolutely gorgeous. We are still in the green. We are moving slightly towards our goal of $1 million. At this pace, it's going to take a lot of time, but please be patient. Patience is key here. We are not for the overnight wins. We are for the steady and secure income. So yeah, total profit is $7.54, which is great. Almost 8% for how much? Only 2 weeks. That's absolutely mind-blowing percentage for 2 weeks of trading. But yeah, we still don't know where the market is going, and our strategy is still in the test run. But eventually, I hope we win. I've been staring at these charts every day, obsessing over candles like they're text messages from an ex, refreshing the portfolio, watching my net worth swing by literal cents, and yet, still no rally. I'm just out here emotionally invested in a market that refuses to text back, still waiting for the rally that will justify this emotional commitment. At this point, I need closure. or at least a green candle with good intentions. And that's it for today's episode. Short, kinda sweet, and powered entirely by caffeine and half a digestive system. We're back on the charts and technically in profit, which means I now have just slightly more money than yesterday and way too much pride about it. Like, comment, subscribe, or just send chicken soup vibes through the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully sounding less like I've been hit by a bus and more like I know what I'm doing. Peace.